Hey guys, well I know I hadn't been making many videos in a while, but I figured with a bad storm like this, we'll make one. So it's about 6 in the morning now. We're out just trying to keep up with the storm. I think we've had about 8 inches. Warming up the loader. I'm going to go down and do a couple local accounts. And oh yeah, we got a new snowblower. Yesterday the ariens hit a post and stripped the gears, so we had to go out and buy a new one because it didn't have time to get it fixed. But it's a Ariens 28-inch professional 15-horse briggs, so I haven't used it yet. $2,000 snowblower, so we're gonna get to try that out. But yeah, it's a pretty bad storm. I'll do another update on that soon when I get a little bit of a break in the weather here, but it's just been really bad. We had a storm yesterday, now we got another storm today, maybe another storm on the weekend, so it's pretty bad. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's snowing really good. So I gotta clean this thing off. Go down and do a couple local accounts here. Let's get our lights on. Come on. Yeah, drew some juice there, but alright guys, well maybe I can get a video of some plowing a little bit later, so see ya.